Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kasorkar jala ka review meeting kabla long hene ka singi ka khatsan tarik unai tung arhaja arpho kala pente bakla rai bakan khangno e boro ki khrdop rong nadu ka shiteng senya jaka arflai tarik mentau banai lani ha pharngap step jaka arp sau tarik unai tung kasorkar ka pente bru be yakini ki khrdop rong on play ki badan kam kum ki kali kit marbam ki kali kit nongpang bar ki we ki kali ki badan kam.
The government today has decided to close all the entry points. To close all the entry points of the state which are located 1. Bernihat, 2. Ratashara, 3. Bajendoba, 4. Tikrikila, 5. Mirjumla, and 6. Halidigan from midnight of 23rd. From midnight of 23rd or early the morning of the 24th. Early the morning of 24th and midnight of 23rd, it shall stand closed. It shall stand closed, except on emergency cases like medical services, essential commodities, and transit movement of Assam vehicles will be allowed during this period of closures. This is essential to unburden. This decision is essential to unburden the health and other frontline workers as well as the district administration who have been engaged in this intensive surveillance work for the past 4 months. During this time, the Health and Family Welfare Department along with the Community COVID Management Team shall also engage in the workshop on behavior change management training in their respective localities. The time shall also be used during this closure period. Time shall also be used to shift the entry point of Bernihat to a new location identified by the government. Interstate movement still not allowed. That is different issue, don't get confused. Interstate movement is still not allowed. Restriction is still on. But what I'm saying is the returnees. If we talk about the returnees, what we requested them that from midnight of 23rd, you are requested to stay back wherever you are. Please don't come back because closure takes place from 23rd midnight till midnight of 31st of this month.